How good is your Spanish? In this video, you will see an image of an object, and you have to guess, how do you say it in Spanish? Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Let's start easy. What's this?
Casa.
And this one?
Perro.
Can you name this?
Gato.
What do you call this?
Carro.
How about this?
Manzana.
You know this one.
Agua.
What is it?
Pan.
Easy, right? What's this?
Leche.
Keep it going. What's this?
Mesa.
Last one of the first round.
Silla.
Moving on. What's this?
Cama.
Don't stop now. Name it.
Puerta.
What do you see here?
Ventana.
Quick! What's the word?
Sol.
Do you know the name for this?
Luna.
Look closely. What is it?
Estrella.
How do you say this in English?
Árbol.
Any ideas?
Flor.
Think fast.
Comida.
What's this called?
Teléfono.
You've got this.
Televisión.
Name this object.
Computadora.
What's this thing?
Libro.
Still easy? Let's see.
Bolígrafo.
What is this?
Papel.
Okay, getting trickier now.
Escuela.
Do you recognize this?
Maestro.
What's the term for this?
Estudiante.
Look at the details. What is it?
Doctor.
Can you guess this one?
Policía.
Most people miss this. What is it?
Fuego.
What do we call this?
Lluvia.
Do you have this at home?
Nieve.
Say it out loud.
Hielo.
Name it.
Caliente.
What's the word?
Frío.
This one is common, but do you know the name?
Grande.
Take a guess.
Pequeño.
What is this exactly?
Rápido.
Don't blink. What was that?
Lento.
Halfway there. What's this?
Feliz.
Keep up the pace.
Triste.
What do you see?
Cansado.
Name it.
Tengo hambre.
What is this item?
Beber.
Only experts know this one.
Comer.
What's the specific name for this?
Dormir.
Can you identify this?
Correr.
Do you actually know this one?
Caminar.
This is level 50. What is it?
Saltar.
Harder than it looks, right?
Caballo.
What's this called again?
Vaca.
Tell me the name.
Cerdo.
Are you sure you know this?
pollo,
What do you think this is?
pez,
Focus! What is it?
playa,
This one is a bit rare.
río,
What's the English word for this?
mar,
Almost there. What is it?
montaña,
Name this object.
ciudad,
Final stretch. What's this?
calle,
Don't give up now.
tienda,
What is this thing?
dinero,
Can you name this one?
tiempo,
Only 5 left? What's this?
día,
Think, think, think.
noche,
What do you call this?
mañana,
Almost at the end.
tarde,
What is this?
amigo,
The very last one? What's the word?
familia.
Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe and keep learning with us. Comment if you were able to complete them all. See you in the next video.